This is day number 3. We're doing ATVs today. We're taking a break from the sun. We'll be back fishing tomorrow.
It's more snook. Another snook. You see your first snook?
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
We will.
That was actually pretty cool. I like it. Yeah. A little bit dusty, but we made it. We just got to Rainmaker, it's called. This is a waterfall that we're gonna be actually doing a tour on. Last time I was here, I didn't do this tour, so I'm excited. We got here on an ATV. It took about like maybe 30 minutes riding the ATVs. We got to go fast, so I really enjoy that. And right now we just got to this beautiful area. It's called the Rainmaker. We're gonna hike for a little bit to a waterfall where there's a nice pond where we can actually take a little dive. It's actually cool. We're in the middle of the jungle, and there's a swimming hole where they're about to jump. Drinking at Imperial in the middle of the street. Son las cervezas. These are the beer that is from here, you know, the local beer. Imperial. It's actually pretty good. I like it. Salud.
We already had a meeting. Salud.
He says chicken.
It's like chicken fried rice.
Yeah. So we just finished the tour, and it was great. I'm happy. We went through a piece of property where there was nothing but palm trees. They used vegetables. They're not coconut palm trees. They're like other type of palm trees where they give these kind of vegetables, and they make oil with that. So we just went through that plantation, and then we went through the jungle. Right now we're in Manuel Antonio Park. This is Manuel Antonio National Park, and which is a little bit off of CABO, and right now we're just trying to see some wildlife. We just got, we were looking for a beach, and we just got to this area where it says, cocodrilos, no nadar, no alimentar. Crocodiles, do not swim, do not feed them. Hola, ¿cómo está Arturo?
Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Arturo,
¿Por qué no los dejas, no nos permites ir para allá?
Es que es Parque Nacional al otro lado.
Ok.
Y esta no es la entrada al Parque Nacional.
Ah, y la entrada está por allá, por el otro lado,
allá,
¿no? Y ya está cerrado ahorita.
Sí, cierran a
Ah,
las 4, de 7 a 4 de la tarde.
porque ahí decía que no, hay un anuncio que hay cocodrilos y que...
Allá adentro hay cocodrilos.
¿Allá adentro?
En ocasiones se ven, sí.
¿De veras?
En ocasiones salen ahí a agarrar el sol.
¿Y no lo podemos ir a mirar?
Ya, y si se viera, pero no, ahorita no creo que
No.
se vea. No.
Bueno, gracias.
Con gusto, que disfruten. Buena tarde.
Igualmente. No cracks right now. Ay, qué calor. A ver, dame un coco, pero no loco.
Natural.
Sí. O a ver, échamelo loco, chingue su madre, pero dame el agua primero. ¿Cuánto es en dólares? Son $2, $3. They're saying that he's selling crazy cocos. It's the little one. ¿Qué le vas a echar, pues? ¿Cómo lo haces, loco? Con este, mira.
Bueno, tómese un poquito entonces.
Pues no, que no.
Está bien, está
Ahí
bien.
está. ¿Qué le está echando?
Ron flor de caña.
Ron.
Flor de caña.
Flor de caña. So they were getting a coconut right at the beach.
Crema de
¿Cómo te llamas?
Wilton.
Wilton.
Crema
Arturo. Coconut cream, coconut water, some rum. This is called the crazy coconut. Coco loco, ¿no?
Coco loco con ron.
Y ya.
Ya.
Esa era la receta. Ya sabemos la receta secreta.
Ahora pruébelo.
A ver.
Te dirá.
¿Cuál sabe mejor?
Salud, mira.
Salud. Pura vida. Vámonos, míralo. Oh, there you go. Ah.
Getting in the mood.
Today, very, very fresh.
Mande.